You say $100 ebook and 1,000 people buy it, that is $10,000, and it will keep sending without extra work. Do you know you can turn your ideas into an ebook in less than a week? It doesn't matter if you're a writer or not. Imagine you making money while you sleep just because you shared the idea you already know. In this video, I'm going to show you steps on how to create an ebook, the exact prompts you can use to create your content fast. And this is one of the smartest ways to make money online. Stay with me because at the end of this video, you're going to learn everything you need to know to publish your first ebook. Hi, my name is Adoni. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about ebook and I'm going to show you why creating one is powerful, how to make it from scratch, and how to sell it. I will make it simple and steps you can follow today. Let's start with why ebooks are so valuable. You don't need to be a professional before you can create an ebook. Even a beginner can do it. It's a low cost and high return. You don't need to spend a lot of money to start it. You can sell it as many times as you like. Just create it once and it can keep generating money for you. It builds your authority. It is flexible. Here is a quick example. If you say $100 ebook and 1,000 people buy it, that is $10,000, and it will keep sending without extra work. And that is the magic of an ebook. Next, you need to pick a topic. Ask yourself, what do I know how to do that can help someone else? Your ebook should solve a problem. Here is a free prompt you can use on ChatGPT. Give me a 10 ebook idea and you insert your interest. For example, how to cook fast meal for busy people, how to save money as a student. You need to pick a topic that feels simple and useful. You don't need something perfect, just useful. Now, let's create the content. You don't need to type everything yourself. You can use ChatGPT. Here is a simple prompt you can use. Write a beginner-friendly ebook at 9 about, then you insert your topic. Make it step by step with 5 to 7 characters. Once you get your script from ChatGPT, then your ebook is 70% ready. What you need to do next is to go to your Canva, because we are going to be editing the ebook. We are going to be editing the ebook on Canva. Open your Canva and go to the search bar. Then you type in ebook cover. Type in ebook cover. You have to choose the one you like. You are going to see different templates. Canva have a lot of templates, a free template and the pro one. You are going to choose a template that you like. Then once you tap on it, then you are going to customize the template. Then you have access to edit your script into that ebook, into that template. Tap on it and remove what you want to remove. You're going to replace the script you got from ChatGPT with the one you have in the template. Then if you want to remove the image, you are going to remove the image from the template. You are going to remove the image from the template. This is a quick tutorial on how to create your ebook on Canva. Inside this box, type in ebook cover template, and then you are going to see different templates you can edit. You can use any template right here, but right now we are going to choose the one with free version. So go ahead and choose the one that you like. I'm going to choose this one, okay? Then I'm going to tap on customize. This one has a different pages and we are going to tap on customize. Once you tap on that customize, you are going to have an access to edit everything on that page. So go ahead and remove all the things that they wrote in that template and put yours. What you get on your chat GPT, you're going to put it inside this place. See how I click on it. See how I click on it. Just click on it and remove what you want to remove and replace it with what you got on Chat GPT. Under here, you change it to your name. Try to make it yours. If you feel like the template you choose is not okay, you can go back again and choose another template. When you are done with the cover, you can go ahead and edit the page 1 from page 1 to the last page. If you have any picture you want to use for this ebook, tap on upload, then you have access to your gallery. Confirm all what you did, then the ebook is ready. Then you are going to go ahead and click on share, then you click on download. Make sure you download it as a PDF. Then your ebook is ready. Now you have your ebook already, edit the cover, edit the cover to make it yours, put your name on it, write date, write your illustration, and put whatever you want to put, make it yours, and the ebook is ready. Once you are okay with your ebook, you like the design, the cover is okay, you put your your name, then you are going to save it as a PDF. Then you are going to save it as a PDF. Then your ebook is ready for sale. Now your ebook PDF is ready. You can upload it on Gumroad or Payip, and you can as well promote it on your social medias like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, like that. Now, this is a quick recap of all what we have discussed about. Pick a topic that solves a problem. Use AI prompt to create your first ebook. Use Canva to design the ebook. Promote and sell it online. Your ebook can open a door you never thought possible. It can give you income, authority, and a new way to share your idea. Don't overthink it. Just start. Small win today, big result tomorrow. Let's get it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a meaningful comment in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Bye.